to the stage.
Firstly, thank you so much for the very beautiful introduction, and I am so honored to be here. SVKM is also where I studied once, so this is like a full circle moment. Okay, so what if one small decision could actually rewrite your entire future? Because mine did. What started as a hobby when I was in my 11th grade 10 years ago happened to change my entire life. Let me give you a little backstory about me, okay? I come from a family where I've seen women doing very traditional roles. They are either taking care of the household, they are either raising kids, and I don't remember any woman actually going out and earning her own money. But you know what? My parents were different. Despite the societal pressures of being parents of three daughters, they still decided to let us study, become independent, and I was so grateful for it. But that came with its own terms and conditions. या तो डॉक्टर बन जाओ या तो इंजीनियर बन जाओ साइंटिस्ट एंड अ टीचर बिकॉज apparently these are the professions that are respectable in the society and also in their eyes. Me being me, I was the middle child, I was the middle daughter, and trust me, all my life I only craved for my parents' approval. उनका वैलिडेशन मेरे लिए सब कुछ था and I was ready to do anything that it takes. Even if that meant pursuing a degree or going behind a future that I cannot truly call mine. So guess what? I gave in to the whole idea of becoming the first doctor in my family. But deep down, I knew कि मेरा जो क्रिएटिव सेल्फ है ना, मेरा जो अंदर का क्रिएटिव बच्चा है, उसको कुछ और करना है. This little girl in me wants to do something new every day. उसको हर एक दिन एक नया चैलेंज लेना है. उसको अपना काम ना मोनोटोनस नहीं लगना चाहिए. I wanted to express, I wanted to channel my creative self. तो मैंने क्या किया? पेरेंट्स भी खुश रहे और मैं भी खुश रहूं. While I was actually worried in my biology textbooks, preparing for my entrance exam, मैंने secretly मेरा पहला blog publish कर दिया. 2015, 30th July, I hit the publish button of my first blog, Trend Elite. It talked about modest fashion, beauty, lifestyle, और मेरे पास ना कोई रिसोर्सेज नहीं थे. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि करना क्या है. ना कोई गाइडेंस, ना पैसे. I didn't even have funds to buy my own domain. तो मैंने एक फ्री वेबसाइट पे ही अपना ब्लॉग्स डालना शुरू कर दिया. मैंने सोचा मैं भी खुश रहूंगी और मम्मी डैडी भी खुश रहेंगे, उनको तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा ना. Blogs after blogs, I started posting, and I can't tell you how happy I was. Like channeling my hobby, channeling my creative side, it gave me so much joy. But my happiness did not last long. Eventually, relatives के through घर वालों को भी पता चल गया. And what followed was absolute chaos. इतने सारे arguments, इतने सारे tears, there was just so much guilt. And I was shocked because I didn't see it happening. How is a girl who's expected to eventually run a household due to society restrictions is now going online and posting her pictures publicly even though they were all modest? But ये full idea ना unacceptable के साथ साथ scandalous भी था. But even though I was asked to stop doing what I was doing, there was something inside me, a little voice that just didn't want to give up. So I secretly still started posting blogs. One after the other, I then had about 20,000 followers on Instagram. And eventually, मैं जब अपने एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रही थी, I did all of this on the side, but then came my entrance results. I did not make it. My score wasn't up to the mark. My parents were shattered. They were hurt. And moreover, I was deep down feeling like I had let them down. There were so many arguments. More than anything was the fact that they started blaming blogging for it. Obviously, ये तुम्हारी blogging की वजह से ही हुआ है. You got distracted by something that isn't even a full career. और आप लोगों को पता है, not just trying to convince my parents to let me do content creation was the only battle that I was fighting. When I started, I was micromanaging so much that it's actually a full-time job. You have to brainstorm, you have to script, you have to research, you have to edit, you have to post, and बाकी post करने के बाद जो engagement पे ध्यान देना होता है वो सब करना था. And I was all alone, except my younger sister, who's now my full-time manager sitting in the crowd, and also a few friends जिन्होंने मेरे पे भरोसा किया. I used to get about 2,000 pocket money in my college. And I remember starving myself. मैं ब्रेक में कुछ नहीं खाती थी. मैं घर जाके ही खाती थी या फ्रूट ही खा लेती थी जो मम्मी ने टिफिन में पैक किया था, because I wanted to save up 1,500 from it just so that end of the month मैं जाऊंगी Hill Road and Crawford Market to buy clothes, to buy jewelry so that I can post my outfit pictures, I can talk about fashion and I could express myself online. And you know, my peers, they were secretly laughing on me. I could hear people calling all of it cringe, but I knew that every single effort that goes into this is just paving my path to success. अब obviously मेरी life में मुझे डॉक्टर बनना था. So what happened was my peers on the other hand who were going to colleges, मैं घर बैठी थी. I had no college, मेरा कहीं admission भी नहीं हो रहा था. So my parents, being my parents, they were taking me from one campus to another, negotiating donation fees क्योंकि बनवाना तो इन्हें डॉक्टर ही था मुझे. Irrespective, I was like, चलो ठीक है. I was trying to thrive myself, but I knew that I also wanted to make them proud. And even though I tried a lot, कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा था. So what I did was I reached out to people, I turned to people that I felt like would support me, and those were my tuition teachers. They had educated me for about 8 years of my life, and I told them, "Would you please convince my parents because I want to pursue mass media." I feel like that aligns with my hobby and that also makes me excited because the subjects are so interesting. After endless arguments, काफी सारा हाँ ना ये वो family drama proper होने के बाद they were like, चलो ठीक है, go ahead. So my parents, they got me into first year of mass media, but it was very very late. सोचो नवंबर आ गया है और मैं लेट कमर हूँ कॉलेज में, एक हफ्ते में मेरे फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर है. I knew that this was going to be tough, but I knew that this was the only chance that I had. I had to prove my parents they had given me a chance, right? So what I did, I studied very hard. And trust me, itna difficult bhi nahi tha because the subjects were of my interest. And I shocked everyone. When the results came out, this new girl, late admission, is now topping the class. She's also hosting events. She's also part of the cultural team and is now teacher's favorite. I felt like, oh my god, finally things are coming to life. Like, it's going as per my plan. Side by side now, blogs का जमाना थोड़ा पीछे जा रहा था and video content was something that was picking up. अब Instagram पे मेरे around 20 to 30 के followers थे तब. And then I started and I moved on to blogs, then eventually to IGTV videos. I was so shocked because my skincare videos, my beauty hacks were reaching over a million audience. Millions of views with just 30K followers. Oh my god. It felt like the ripple is finally turning into waves. I also bagged my first paid collaboration. Can you guess the amount? It was 600 for a post on Instagram. But it was so huge. Like, I am ready to do this for free for my whole life because it only brings me joy. It's just a hobby. But now I can get paid for my work. Are you serious? Is this an achievement? It surely was. I felt like my life was finally stable. My parents were happy. I was happy. But my life being my life, there was another curveball thrown. Now my parents wanted me to get a master's degree from the abroad. उनको लगा that ये पढ़ाई करते करते when she's trying to move on, set up her life abroad, she will forget about all of this content creation. हाँ बिजी हो जाएगी एडमिशंस में ये वो बिकॉज अभी तक भी ये रियल करियर नहीं है. आई थॉट चलो ठीक है वैसे भी ये मेरे इंटरेस्ट का ही है सो व्हाई नॉट. I studied, I excelled in my academics. Post my graduation, I also took up a full-time job just to sort of support my resume so that I could get into a good college abroad. I remembered I used to wake up, shoot, change, go to my office, come back, edit. This was my routine and it was so exhausting. But trust me, I loved every bit of it. Because when you love what you do, everything feels like a purpose. Eventually, when I gave my entrance exam, my results came out and I got the offer letter. But I also got a scholarship from one of the top colleges in UK. It was a fashion school that I always wanted to go into. And I was so happy. My parents were also happy. They were dancing with joy. But then happened pandemic. It was March 2020. The world had stopped. My plans of going abroad and studying and getting a master's degree was delayed. But all I thought was, this is the time. If not now, then when? All I have with me is time and I'm going to make the most of this opportunity. No waiting, no excuses, just consistency. Reels after reels, my page started growing and I went from 30K to 130K in a year. I started fashion series called Foreign Style with Tea, Quarantine था ना तभी. I also did How to Steal the Show without Skin Show. A lot of celebrity recreations, makeup hacks, skincare hacks, all of it. And slowly my page started getting noticed, brands were watching and I was getting visibility. Eventually, when lockdown lifted, I started earning a steady income from my job. And soon the workload was so much that I felt like I need a team now. I can't do everything all alone. I'm scaling. So then came in a lot of brand partnerships. I had a chance to work with one of the top leading makeup brands, etc. This, that, everything was going great. And then I got the news that I'm about to win my first award as a content creator. That was the moment after so many years where I saw the pride in my parents' eyes. Those same eyes that were filled with doubt were now twinkling with joy. And then sooner and later, with all my brand collaborations, I could invest in my studio space that marks my biggest achievement of my life. And that is buying my first house in Mumbai at the age of 23. It was incredible. Things were changing. Parents were also happy. Slowly, I got the most beautiful opportunity to share screens with Madhuri Dixit. Oh my god. I was interviewing so many celebrities. I've collaborated with faces like Priyanka Chopra, Kashi Kapoor, Sonakshi Sinha, Katrina Kaif, and so much more. And you know what? My work was also featured in news articles like Eat My News, Social Catch Up, and most importantly, Forbes Top 100 Digital Stars List 2024. With all of this happening, I have seen my parents not just fight with me, but also countless number of relatives who pointed a finger at my character just because I was in content creation. I've seen my mother especially struggle and save up so much money because she wanted to build a house and a career for us daughters. My mom only always told me, रोटी गोल होना हो लाइफ में गोल्स होने ही चाहिए. And today, when I finally get to taste my fruit of hard work, I've forgotten all the struggles. Because you know what? This is how life is. When you throw a stone in a pond, the ripples that create will not give you an immediate effect. But you have no idea they have far reaching consequences. And for me today, it is a proud family of 4 lakh subscribers on YouTube, over 3 lakh followers on Instagram, but most importantly, the love, the community that I've built on trust, and these little girls that daily message me that Didi, you are our inspiration. This is what keeps me going. A random decision of posting a blog changed my entire life. And if you told me 10 years ago that I would be living this life today, I would have laughed. If one decision could rewrite my entire future, imagine if you take a bold decision today, what will it do for you? This was my story, and thank you for your time.